name is Keith Zeller. I'm from Varna, Illinois, about the middle of Illinois. And this is a 1935 Auburn boat-tail speedster. About 23 years ago, I found a frame and a chassis and had to find a body and put it all together. And I have used it on many tours, 23 Hoosier tours, many other tours, Michigan, Canada, Florida, other places. I have found many of the parts from all over the country. Headlight lenses came from the state of Washington, door sill panels come from New Jersey, and the rest of the parts that you couldn't find you had to make. It took me about 2 years, and that was working pretty steady at it most of the time. So kind of took a little time off from work, just worked on the car. Most all of it I did myself, except for a little bit on the upholstery, the finished coat of paint, and a little bit on the top. But other than that, pretty well done the rest of it, yes. Gordon Burek designed this speedster, the 3536, was his own design, and it was different from the earlier boat-tail speedsters, 31s, 2s, and 3s. This has an 85 horse, 6-cylinder, Lycoming engine, and this one shows its age a little, but it's still going.